Hi everyone, today we are making a very nice photo frame with this beautiful golden glitter paper. First we're gonna put this glitter paper on some other paper. And we're gonna cut this square out. And we're gonna help ourselves first with this paper. Eccola. Now we're gonna first draw in the middle the heart, and we're gonna draw inside a smaller heart. I help myself with these dots. Like this. So we have the heart in the middle. Now we're gonna continue. I changed my mind, so we're gonna draw directly on this golden glitter paper. So first we draw the heart. Now we're gonna continue here from the heart. Here we're gonna do one cube. Upper we're gonna draw a bit inside from the cube. Up here we're gonna do a circle. And also down here. Eccola, now we're cutting all of this out. What you can cut with the scissors, the rest we're gonna cut with the knife. Now we have it like this, and we're just gonna cut out all this now. In the straight lines, I just do a hole like this, and I'm gonna cut it with the scissors. It's already coming very cute. So we just have the heart and these two circles to cut out. And you put the photos in the other ones, or you do some decoration on top of the heart, or if you want you can still put the photo on top then. Now you're gonna need some cardboard, and you're just gonna glue all your photos on this cardboard, and then cut the cardboard also like this around. And you will have a beautiful photo frame. I'm just gonna do some details. I was thinking maybe to put these white roses on and these red diamonds, but maybe I'm just putting these red diamonds on. Yes, I'm just going with these red diamonds, and you can also put the heart red. You can also just write the quotes in all of this and put your photo with your loved one here. I like it a lot. If you like it too, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Now I'm going to put all the photos in. Ciao!